I'll never forget how I spent my Easter holidays last year. I've made 2 new friends, Macy and Dave. They came to Hong Kong from England for a choir performance. Our teacher asked us to show them around Hong Kong. We had a very happy time together. Guess where we've been to?
What would you like to do in Hong Kong? Shopping. All my friends ask me for souvenirs.
Girls just like shopping.
And how about you, sir?
To learn more about China. Chinese Kung Fu. And Jackie Chan. Where to go to buy Jackie Chan's photos.
See? Boys like shopping too.
Let's go shopping then.
Okay.
And other exciting places. This is a new shopping mall. You can buy almost everything here.
Let's walk around.
Okay.
The malls in England are much larger.
Oh, really? I don't think they have this in England. What's this? It's a photo sticker machine. We can make our own stickers.
That's very interesting. Let's make one together. Sure.
Okay. First.
Select your favorite frame and press the button. Set on yourself into the frame.
Why not? Wow. This is so cute. Yeah. Why don't you buy it? Okay. Excuse me, how much is this, please?
$60, please.
Thank you. That's not expensive. I'll buy this.
Why don't you buy some of these? They're not so special. I can buy them in England too.
Look at this pencil case. It goes with my pencils. I must buy it.
She really loves shopping.
Yes, but she never thinks of the price.
Gosh, why are there so many people?
Well, this is Hong Kong. There are people everywhere. People are busy selling and buying on street stores.
Yes, we can buy lots of things here, and that's for the best price. By the way, how do you say, how much is this?
Well, that's easy. It's 幾多錢?
Say this again, please.
幾多錢?
幾多錢?
It's so difficult to learn.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it strange?
It smells awful.
Disgusting.
Can you eat it?
They probably
Eat it?
Do you speak English?
We don't understand Chinese. What? Look, Dave. Where have we seen Dave?
There could be in that pile over there. Let's go and have a look.
Okay.
I don't understand Chinese.
We don't understand. What are you doing here? What are these?
Yes.
Okay. Fried seafood, salted fish, and dried oysters.
Why is everything dry? Maybe Chinese like to eat dried food.
I think so. Chinese like to eat wet food too. Wet food? What's that?
Yes.
Let's go. I'll show you. Okay.
Ah, you mean the seafood. Take a picture of it. Sit up on there. Look at it. Don't eat it.
this?
$10.
Thank you. That's cheap. I'll buy this.
She's really rich. Yes, but she won't be if she goes on buying without care.
I'm so tired and thirsty.
Do you want a drink?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Drink it. It's good for you. It doesn't look good.
What is it?
Drink it first.
It's so bitter.
It's good for the health. What's in it?
Cockroaches, lizards, and mosquitoes.
Oh!
Hang on a minute. Yours is different from ours. These are so cute.
And nice.
These are nice too.
This is very cute.
Oh, it is. It's very cute. Now I have a whole new set of pencil box and pencils.
I wish I could have a new set too.
These socks are the same. Why did I buy the same 2 pairs?
Because you were buying without thinking.
These 2 pairs? I don't need 2 pairs of these.
How about giving a pair to your sister?
For you.
Me? Why?
Thank you for showing me around Hong Kong.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You've got plenty of money to buy things. But I can't spend it all. It's Mum's, not mine.
Oh, Mum. Yes, I need 2 more gifts for Mummy and Daddy.
What? You've bought so many already. You're so rich.
Not really. Let me check. Oh, I've spent nearly all of my money.
How about a gift for your mom?
I don't know.
Don't worry. Perhaps you can find something good and cheap tomorrow. Yeah, I'm sure you will.
I hope so.
I haven't seen any real Chinese stuff.
I know where we can go.
No more shopping malls, please.
Do you want Chinese-style souvenirs?
Yes, so...
Follow me.
Okay, where are we going?
A surprise.
I love surprises, tell me.
Come on, let's go. Yes. We're like in China.
Oh yes, the old China. Lovely. I wonder how beautiful my mum will look when she puts it on.
My mom likes to wear tromsons too. Why don't you buy one for your mom?
I'd like to. But it's too expensive. Never mind, I'll buy something else.
Is this a shop or a restaurant? How come we have dim sum baskets? I'm hungry. Let's have dim sum.
It's not dim sum.
What is it? It's a watch.
Yes. This is a very good souvenir for your friends.
But it's a bit expensive. I think I'll try and find something else.
There are so many beautiful things here, but we can't afford them.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go to another shop.
Okay.
All right. This is the ground floor. We can buy Chinese gifts here.
Oh, great. Let's go.
Okay. This is lovely. For your mum? Yes. She's learning Chinese writing and painting. How much is it? I'll look at something else.
Oh, yes. Yes, I'll have this one. How may I help you? Gato Chin.
Pardon?
Gato Chin?
Oh, $35.
Thanks. My Cantonese is poor.
Here's 40. Please wait a moment.
Thank you. So, you finally bought something. Yes, my mum. She likes to collect handkerchiefs.
Well, here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you looking for another present? Yes, for my best friend. He can't come with us because he's in hospital. I thought you didn't like shopping. I'm looking for the best things at the best prices. I see. Have you bought anything for your mum yet? Hurry up. Today's your last chance for shopping. Is anything wrong?
I don't have enough money.
How much more do you need?
$50.
Take it. I don't need it.
Thanks a lot, Dave. You're so kind. I'll pay you when we get back home.
Don't worry about it.
I'll go pay for it. She really loves that.
Yeah.
Here we go. Go on. Pull. Thank you, Winnie. I really shouldn't have bought so many. Now it's perfect. I hope it isn't too heavy. That'll be Dave and Tommy. I'll get it. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Do you need any more bags?
No, it's all right. You have no problem.
Oh, no. Of course not. I'm not crazy about shopping.
Never mind, shopping's fun. Yeah, shopping is fun.
Yes, it is. Dave, for you. Whoa, what a surprise. Jackie Chan.
Do you like them?
Yes, thanks so much.
Winnie, Tommy, thanks for being our guide for these 2 days.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. I hope you like Hong Kong.
Of course, so many different things to shop for.
And the bitter cockroach drink.
Oh.
Macy will come to Hong Kong with her family during summer. We will tour around together again.